Father God, I just thank you that we don't need to be dismayed and disheartened when we're doing things for you, Father God. Just like Moses and Aaron, and they were telling Pharaoh, and he was hardening his heart, and you were hardening his heart, Lord. But we know it's not just about the people we think we're called to try and get them to let us go or get a change in them. Because what we actually saw, that Pharaoh's servants, they saw what was happening, and they changed. They hid. They locked in their animals and the things. They were aware of the plagues that were coming, and they changed their behavior. Whereas Pharaoh was thinking, you don't need to do nothing. And then later on in other plagues, we see them again. We're telling Pharaoh, no, let the people go. Let the Israelites go. So even if the people we are seeing that are not changing, even our own children or our colleagues or people in our family, whatever we think we're trying to do, and they don't see the results, Father God, we thank you that we don't know what is going on around them in our communities, and how the other people connected to the people that were directly trying to change are changing, Father God. So we thank you that prayer can do all things, Father God. We thank you that your work is not in vain, Father God. Thank you that your word is powerful, Father God. So even if we don't see a initial change in the people that we're trying to affect, we thank you that people around them will hear the words. There will be a change of heart in them, Father God, maybe later. And we thank you, even Pharaoh later on, he had to testify saying, I have sinned. May he know what sin is, Father God.